Okay guys, I got another video for you today. It's headlight restoration. As you can see, the headlights on the GTO are pretty foggy. See here that where the hood covers them, protects them from the sunlight, it's pretty clear. Down here it's pretty fogged up. So my headlights are not working too good. Both same side. So I bought this Rust-Oleum kit for Headlight Restore. It says it has a polishing pad inside here. It's like a two-sided pad. You buff the oxidation off, flip it over, then it polishes it with that pad, and then you wipe on some sort of a solvent or coating and it clears the lens up. I'm going to try one out, see how this works. Okay, so here's what you get inside the kit. This is the part that once you're done buffing, you wipe that on and it puts a clear coat on there. And it looks like you get inside this bag. Let's see what's all in here. You get a kind of a microfiber cloth, pair of gloves, and there's your two-sided sanding kit, I guess. This side feels like some really super fine sandpaper, and this side just kind of feels like velvet. You know, that must be what you buff it, polish it with. So let's try this out. Okay, to start off, it says that to wet your headlight, and the way it looks wet is the way it'll appear once you coat it with that clear coat. So if your headlights are not too bad and you can see through them when they're wet and they're foggy when they're dry, then you don't need to use the sanding, the little sandpaper and polisher, which to me this looks like that wouldn't be enough for 2 headlights. And then also you want to sand both headlights before you open this package up, because this will dry up in a few minutes, it says. So make sure you sand both your headlights. That's what it says to start off. So to me it looks like they're going to need some sanding because they're not perfectly clear when I hit them with water. They're still a little foggy looking. You can see through them better when they're wet, but they're not. They're still a little foggy looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand them. I'm going to just hit them with this sander they give you. And I'll have to read, but it seems like the green side is the sandpaper. So they want you to kind of just sand off that oxidation. You can see that oxidation coming off already. It's looking yellow. And you know, if you think you're going to scratch your paint, maybe you want to take some masking tape and put it around. I'm going to just do this on the fly here. Since I'm sanding by hand, I think this will be fine. Now, I've done this before with 3M product. Work. I've never tried this Rust-Oleum kit. Okay, I went over them once with the sandpaper tool, and you can kind of see scuffed them up. So, and it was coming off yellow, so I'm pretty sure that was all the oxidation. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to sand one more time here lightly, and if the sanding looks white, which to me it looks like it's white now, so I'm pretty sure most of the oxidation is off of there. So I'm just going to go over it lightly one more time with this. Okay, next it says to use the other side. It's kind of like velvety. We're just going to buff this. So you just buff over it. And let's see how that looks. Okay, I went over it, sanded it twice with this side, and then I buffed it twice with this side. And here's what it looks like so far. You can see on the inside of this light, there's some little circles, little speckles. I'm not sure if it's going to show on the camera, but if you got anything on the inside of the lens, obviously it's not going to take that off. And then when you're all done with both sides, the sanding and the buffing, you're supposed to take this microfiber cloth, just dry everything off completely before you put on the clear coat. Okay, I found something when you're buffing it with this side here, this gray-blue side. Once in a while, clean it off. It seems to work better. It seems to build up some kind of residue on it, and then it doesn't buff as good. So just clean it off once in a while. If you go over to the headlight twice, buff it once, and then spray it off, and buff it again. Well, when I first looked at the kit, I thought, well, this little piece of sandpaper, that's not going to be enough to do 2 headlights, but it definitely was. As long as they're not super oxidized bad, seems like this little pad is plenty good. And what I'm going to do, I got some fog lights in the bottom here. They're all yellow too, and I'm going to buff those out while I'm at it. Okay, I got the lights all prepped for the coating. It says to put on these gloves, which they gave you a nice size glove. These are extra large gloves because they fit my hands. A lot of times you get stuff like this, or the gloves are too small, so pretty good. Now it says to take the cloth out before and use it before it dries out, and you wipe across the headlight one time with it. You don't want to go multiple times with it. Just wipe across it. Try not to get it on your paint. You can see already it is clearing up pretty good. I gotta just get that there, and I'm gonna do the fog light as long as I'm down here with it. Oh, I got the other headlight. I'm gonna flip this over, get the other headlight across it. You can see that really makes a world of difference. Say I'm impressed. Just gonna get the edges, and I hit the paint a little bit. You can see it took a little bit of my paint off, or that could be some of the oxidation, that dust that's left over. But I did have enough the pad to do fog lights and all. And it's got a strong solvent smell to it. That looks like a world of difference, I gotta say. Back up and take a... Yeah. Looks beautiful. Now it says to let that dry for an hour. It'll dry to the touch in about an hour. And then do not let the coating get wet for 24 hours. So leave your car parked in the garage for about a day. Yeah. So far I approve 100%. This is a good system. That was, I got that at Walmart. It was less than $10. I think it was like $8 or $9. So not a bad deal. You get everything in here you need. The little sanding pad, I was doubtful that would last, but it actually sanded both headlights plus the fog lights. It worked fine, but my headlights weren't extremely oxidized. I've seen much worse. If you catch it before they get too bad. And they say this this coating should last for many years, so hopefully it'll last a couple of years and we're good to go. Alright guys, take care. I really like this product.